Hi, my name is Brianna. I'm with Right to Counsel Coalition. We're here in City Hall to urge council members to pass our resolutions 345 and 499 in support of statewide right to counsel and defend right to counsel. Basically, we've been organizing for almost a decade as a coalition so that tenants, everyday New Yorkers, have an attorney by their side when they're in housing court. We've been defending this legislation since the eviction moratorium lifted. Tenants haven't been given the time that they need to actually get a right to counsel. City Council hasn't been funding it adequately. That's why we need to pass it statewide with state backing and make sure tenants get adjournments to actually get a lawyer. To help us pass these bills, you can talk to your council member about it. Start organizing in your building and in your neighborhood. Talk to your neighbors. Get help. Get connected with a larger, neighborhood-wide tenant organization. Our website, there's a ton of resources on our website to get connected to a local organization if you don't know where to start, and some resources on steps that you could take to organize in your building.